Hey guys, it's Cheer, and in this episode of What's in My Pack, you can see it's right here, very dirty. I'm going to be talking about the Vargo Titanium BOT 700. This is a really great piece of equipment if you are interested in cold soaking and also cooking food. So this is really versatile because it has a screw-on lid and it is watertight. So this is something that was important to me because when I was hiking the PCT in 2019, I cold soaked in the desert, which I thought I was going to cold soak the whole way, but once I entered the Sierra, things definitely changed. So I used this to cold soak in the desert, and it was really awesome. Nothing spilled out of this thing, so it's definitely tried and tested by me, watertight. So very lightweight, so it's made of titanium. But what comes with that lightweight usually means expensive. So this was on Amazon. I got it for about I think it was about $100. However, it's one of my most used pieces of gear, and so well worth the money. It's still going strong. I've cooked with it so much, and there's not much damage at the bottom at all. So, and there's like little measuring sections on the side, so that's pretty great too. It has the handles. I also put like a little mini carabiner on it so I could put my spork on there too, just to make everything more convenient. So obviously also held up to heat very well. Made hot chocolate in here a lot, made oatmeal, my dinners, etc. So I mixed up cold soaking and cooking with this pot a lot during the trail. Definitely recommend the Vargo BOT 700 if you're considering both cold soaking and cooking on trail.